Hey guys, it is Monday, April 15th, tax day here in the US. Hooray. Got mine done back in March, so didn't have to wait to the last minute. Hope everybody had a good weekend, ready for a good trading week. We got going to start out with the pound dollar. I am in a buy. I just got in a buy a little while ago. That's my stop loss, those arrows, so it's a low risk trade. Let me show you how low. Low of those arrows is 124.26, and I got in at 39, so I'm at a $13 risk. That's all I can lose is 13 bucks. So hopefully, since we're below this yearly pivot, it's going to try to retest that again. And if it does, that'll be well over 100 pips just to right there. That's if it just goes to right there. Could go higher. The Aussie dollar, not in this trade. It did make a 1 hour buy. And there is the yearly support. So we're just barely over 100 pips away. So I'm going to wait on a buy right there on the Aussie dollar. So nothing to do on it. Remember, this is for trading education only. Do not trade with more than you could afford to lose. The pound CAD is in a buy. I am not in this one. I'm trying to remember why I didn't get in it. That low was 171, and that was 24. I think it was like 20. No, it was 25, about 29 pips or 30 pips, and it was right at my limit, and I wanted it to come a little bit further down. Now this is probably going to work. So I may still look for a buy opportunity. If it can push up and take that high, then this will be my stop down here, and so it will still be a low risk trade. Pound yen made a buy on Friday. There was this push up, pull back into it. That was your opportunity to go long, but I am not looking for any longs against the yen. I'm looking for shorts, so I'm just looking for a pound yen short opportunity, and it could be when it gets up to there, because that's yearly resistance right there. So it could be looking for a sell opportunity right in there. Euro New Zealand, it made a 1 hour buy on Friday. There was your buy opportunity right there. I wasn't in this one, and I wasn't in the pound New Zealand, which done the same thing. There was its buy arrows, pulled back into it, and it went in. I had missed this by the time I seen it, because I was in and out on Friday. It was already too late. The risk was way too great, so I couldn't take it. New Zealand yen, again, this would be another one that I'd be looking just for a sell opportunity. Even though it did have a buy right there, pull back into it, you would have got pretty good pips. Let's see, 90, 77, 90, 77, 53. How much is that? 20, about 70, 75 pips you'd have got. So, but I'm only looking for sales on the New Zealand yen. Euro Aussie is pulling back up into the the sell, and that's what I'm looking for, a sell opportunity on the Euro Aussie. But because the Aussie dollar still has about 100 pips to go to its yearly support, this may go higher. So I may not take that sell. If it's really, really low risk like what this one was, then I will take it. When I think it was like $5, $5, $6, if that much. If it does that, then I'll take it. If not, then I'm going to let it go up and run up and look for a better sell opportunity. Euro CAD has made a 1 hour buy. It has ran away though. I'm looking for a pullback. That is a yearly pivot. That line right there, it goes all the way across. So we've closed above it. So we came down and touched it and actually closed below it a little bit and have hovered around it, and we're back above it again. So I'm looking, since there is a buy here, looking for a buy opportunity. Low risk trade, somewhere right in there around that line, close to that. It's about another 20 pips down, and I'll look for a shot to get in long, and that's the stop right there. The pound Aussie, this one had been in for a while, and it's never, I mean, it continues doing what it's supposed to do, but it is up there at resistance. So this one, I'm gonna have to, I believe, take it off. I'm just gonna close that. The pound Aussie CAD yen, it has made a sell opportunity, but it's kind of run away. I need to push back up to sell the CAD yen, because that's all I'm looking for is sales. Even though that buy worked, there was the buy, came back into it, you'd have made good money. Just the Bank of Japan could step in at any time, and it's going to crash that CAD. So I don't want to be a part of that. I'm willing to let them go, because even when you use a stop, it's going to blow right through it, and you're going to get a terrible feel. So it's not worth the risk. To me, it's not worth the risk. Euro yen, same way. I only look for sales on it, and the Aussie yen, only look for sales on it. There was another buy. There's the arrows, pull into it, buy. There you'd have got 100 pip move right there. Excuse me. So I'm looking for a buy on the pound dollar. Got a low risk trade on that. I'm closing the position on the pound Aussie with profit. I'll be out of that. Looking for a buy on the Euro CAD. Need to pull back down into here. And pound New Zealand is making a 1 hour sell. Euro New Zealand is making a 1 hour sell. And let's see, the Aussie dollar, I'm looking for a buy, but further down here, about another 100 pips away. Looking for the buy on it, so nothing to do on the Aussie dollar. I had a couple more subscribers over the weekend. Thank you guys for that. I appreciate that very, very much. It just lets me know that I'm my trading education is actually rubbing off on people to the good side. And that's the only reason I need the subscribers, because it lets me know, the more they subscribe, that just lets me know the more that I'm helping along your trading journey, and that's what it's supposed to be all about anyway. The video's being recorded. It'll be posted in about 15-20 minutes as usual. I have another video tomorrow, hopefully earlier. In the moving process now, because we had bought another place and are moving stuff over almost on a daily basis, so I get back a little bit later than what I want to do these videos, but at least I'm getting them. If you have any questions or comments, anybody, feel free to go to my video. Under the video there's a comment section. You can ask your question or make a comment in that, and I usually can get back to you pretty quick, unless you're overseas. Then the time zone difference, especially if it's at night and I'm sleeping and you guys are up, then it's going to be 7-8 hours later before I can get to you. So please just remember that. I'm not trying to avoid you at all. So I appreciate those who the subscribers, the extra 2 this weekend. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you don't know about my trading strategy, I do have a video on that that kind of tells about it. But I do Forex swing trading. I don't do day trading. even though at times there could be a trade set up during the New York or Asian session, which is my sessions. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But the trade only the 1 hour and 4 hour, because I do swing trading. I don't use, well, I used to use 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and I blew 2 accounts trading that way. So I got away from that in 2006, and in 2007 I started trading the swing trading, and I've been successful doing that ever since. So 17 years of doing it, no need to change, go backwards. Making money. I've been able to retire. Wife's been able to retire early, both of us. So this is how we do our income, is off of my trading. So that's the goal I want for you guys too, to at some point that you become successful, and if you do want to be able to, retire early because you're making more than where you're working, then you don't need me no more. And that's what I want. It's for you to get to the point where you don't need me anymore. You can do it on your own. So I hope everybody has a good rest of the night. If you're in trades, please move your stops. Take your profit when you can, at resistances. And we will see you guys tomorrow.